Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for an employer ID number with IRS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering necessary information. You will need your legal business name and the trade name, if applicable. Have your business structure details ready, like whether you are a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. Prepare your social security number or employer identification number, if you have one. Decide how you will apply for your employer ID number. You can register online, by fax, by mail, or by phone, though phone registration is only for international applicants. To apply online, visit the IRS website. Locate the Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) online option. This service is available Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Click the Apply Now button to start your application. The application consists of several sections addressing various aspects of your business. Follow the prompts to provide information about your business structure and activities. You will also need to indicate the reason for applying for an EIN. Review your entries before moving to the next section. Once you complete the application, you will receive your EIN immediately. In case you choose to apply by fax or mail, download and complete Form SS4 from the IRS website. After filling out Form SS4, you can fax it to the number provided for your state. If mailing, send it to the address specified on the form. Allow about 4 to 6 weeks for processing if applying by mail. For those applying by phone, be prepared to answer questions similar to those on the written forms. Once you receive your employer ID number, keep it in a secure place. It is used for tax purposes, opening business accounts, and applying for licenses. Review your obligations as an employer, as having an EIN also involves tax responsibilities. Finally, confirm that all information is accurate and all necessary steps were duly completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.